Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in and join the family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and remember the notification bell because that way you'll be reminded every time I upload a video. My name is Jenny and on this channel I create lovely DIYs using mostly items that I find at the Dollar Tree. I try to keep all of my DIYs budget friendly but easy to do. If you want to see some of my creations, then keep watching. Hey, I hope everyone had a great weekend. I am sharing with you guys today this really quick, simple, and easy Dollar Tree DIY that I created using these flight rings out of the Dollar Tree. So they either are in the summer section or the toy section. And I also will be using some of this Dollar Tree rope. And I have some floral, some greenery out of my stash, and I purchased these from Dollar Tree as well, and I'll just be using pieces of these. What I'm going to do first is I am going to use my white acrylic paint, and this is not from the Dollar Tree, this is from Walmart, and I'm going to go over each ring lightly with that paint. And the reason why I chose the green ones because the rings come in several colors, but I needed some of that green to peek through because that way it saved me a lot of painting time with mixing colors to achieve this look. And so now I'm just going to remove more pieces from my bunch because I am going to start gluing these pieces down to the rings. And what I'm going to do is just start gluing them down, no form, no fashion, just trying to create a little cute pattern. Also, I want to mention that I received an invite from Sue over at Discovering the Art of Living. She is hosting a collaboration with some other crafters, and she wants us to create a fun summer wreath and add 4 summer items to the wreath. And this video goes up on Wednesday, June the 10th. So please be on the lookout for that. And in that video description box, it will include the other crafters that's participating in this collaboration. I do love wreaths, and I haven't done one yet on my channel, so I'm excited to do something fun. And I will have the boys help me pick out some summer fun items to add to their wreath. So I am looking forward to that. So be on the lookout for that video on Wednesday, June the 10th. So thanks, Sue, for the invite. So now that's how the wreath turned out. I may add one little piece. I added a little piece there. And so now what I'm going to do is I have started already on working on the second ring, and I'm going to do the same thing. Just go glue down different floral pieces to form some kind of cute design. And as you can see, I'm just gluing down my pieces, just trying to form something cute. And so now that I have completed the second ring, this is how it turned out. And this is the first ring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding floral pieces to the third ring. And I'm going to do this one a little different. I may go around or something. Since the first two are kind of similar, so I'm going to do a little different pattern this time. And so now I'm just gluing down the final pieces, and this is how all 3 of them turned out. They all look absolutely cute. I did a different design for this one because the first 2 that I made kind of looked similar, but they all came out cute. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to add my rope to each one of these rings, and I am going to cut each rope a different size. And what I'm going to do is just glue the rope down to the back of the ring, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to make a loop at the top so I can hang these rings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I have enough rope before I cut, and then what I'm going to do is just make a loop, and then I'm going to glue it down just like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the rope, and I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to tack the rope down. And once I add my glue, I'll go in with my scissors and cut any excess strings or rope that is hanging. And this is how my loop turned out. Just basically a loop, and then I tacked it down with the glue, and I'll cut off any excess string that is hanging. And what I'm going to do is add the rope to the ring and to all three of the rings, and this is how they turned out. I did cut the rope different sizes, so when I hang them, they will all hang at a different level. And so I really like how these turned out. And so now that I have hung them, this is how they look. I think these are beautiful. I really like how they turn out. They were really simple and easy to make. I'm so glad that I found these rings because I've seen them in the past, but I was glad to find them in that green color because it really helped me not have to pay so much to achieve that color. And so I'm happy about that. I think they look absolutely cute. Let me know what you guys think about this DIY in the comment box down below. Also, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. And until next time, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.